iN-Command is a combination of simplicity and luxury. iN-Command is a revolutionary system bringing smart home technology to the great outdoors. iN-Command is the control you crave. Not only does iN-Command give you complete control of your entire RV, it lets you do it all from your smartphone. Operate your landing gear, slide outs, and awnings. Control and monitor the primary functions of your generator, including auto start and fault code reporting. iN-Command also controls light zones inside and outside the RV, and features our patented travel lockout feature that keeps your motorized functions locked safely in place while hauling your RV. Even maintenance is made easy with iN-Command. The system uses swappable relays that can be found at any auto parts store or service center for easy replacement. Manual overrides act as a fail-safe backup so that you can maintain control of your motorized functions no matter what. iN-Command continues to advance and raise the bar of what you can expect from your RV with the introduction of Global Connect, allowing you to remotely monitor and control your RV from long distances. No matter where you are in the world, your RV is within reach. The iN-Command app places the controls of your RV directly on your mobile device so that they're always with you wherever you go. The updated layout of the iN-Command app puts all of the controls you could ever want in a customizable and easy-to-navigate dashboard, turning your mobile device into the definitive command center for your RV. Now you can control and monitor the heat and AC, including the ability to set running schedules for day and night, as well as open and close roof vents. iN-Command can even close your roof vents for you when the AC kicks on. iN-Command now allows for secondary switch plates throughout your RV, in addition to the primary touchscreen display commander. This ensures that you always have access to your switches when you need them, no matter what room you're in or if your mobile device is out of reach. The iN-Command tire pressure monitoring system constantly reports on the air pressure and temperature in each tire, alerting you to potential problems before they happen. All of this information is readily available within the iN-Command mobile app. Keep your system current with the latest software updates. Global Connect makes this process easier than ever by allowing iN-Command to download and install system updates. So what is iN-Command? It's a combination of simplicity and luxury. It's a revolutionary system, bringing smart home technology to the great outdoors. It's the control you crave, and it's just getting started. Welcome to iN-Command.